guests visit your house, the first thing they notice is the patio or the porch. The open and welcoming nature of a patio to the guests is a good indication of how the owner of the house receives his guests. If you want to know how to spruce up your patio, then keep watching this video. Consider the following 3 simple and easy ways to spruce up your patio. 1. Decide on the color scheme. Before you start a patio project, ensure to decide on your best and inspirational color scheme that will suit the project. You can select a color based on the item you already own, or you can purchase a color scheme based on your choice for the patio. It is more rewarding to select your color ahead of time before creating a plan for the patio. If you are unsure of what color scheme to pick, you can draw your inspiration from items like planters, rugs, patio furniture, or you can ask a friend to choose for you. 2. Define the seating area. When designing a new look for your patio, an area of concern you should consider is the seating area. The seating area has to be well planned, and you must ensure you introduce some unique and exciting things visitor or guest can sit and relax on. They don't have to be costly and extravagant things. Things like benches, stools, old kitchen chairs, crates, barrels, rocking chair, and porch swing. Include some tables, whether it is a coffee table, patio table, or a repurposed stool. A table where your guests can sit and enjoy a drink or coffee is a welcome gesture. 3. Add some plant life. Once you are done with the seating and color scheme, start adding plants and other natural essentials. Nature and plant life make a patio inviting and welcoming. Use your planters to add plants to a patio. You can purchase planters to match the color scheme of the patio if you do not already have planters of matching colors that you can repurpose. Then, select plants that can add something extraordinary and exceptional to the overall appearance of the patio. Are you enjoying the video? Then give us your opinion to let us know that we are contributing to your patio project. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and get update the new videos.